Hello, friends. This is Ashok. You're watching me on Finding Happiness in Small Things YouTube channel. I'm going to show you aerial views of this place in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm going to use my drone and then use my zoom camera as well. So, really thankful to all my subscribers who are watching this video. I really thank you for your time, and people who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. This will be real encouragement for me. Um, do share the videos with others and hit on like button as well. So this place where I'm staying is Hilton in Jacksonville, Florida, and we stayed here for one night, and now we will be going to Clearwater from here. So this is the aerial view. These are the properties, buildings in front of our hotel, and this city is really good and clean. Next, you are going to see this tall building. I try to zoom my zoom camera here. You can see each and every chair also. It's a really tall building and it looks really good. So I will be showing you the traffic and the temples that are in this building far, far away. These glass buildings are really good. And in real, when you are looking at with eyes, they look really good. That's a kind of, it's a church that you're looking at. And this place has a lot of greenery. So enjoy the shots. I'm wearing my mask, so I'll be going out and checking us out for today. Let me show you. This is the front desk entrance where people check in. That's one of the restaurant. It's not opened. That's the sitting place, bar area, coffee area. That's the desk where I'm going to check out. We are heading towards Clearwater, Florida. We are on the way. This is how the road looks. It's not that much traffic. The sky is still cloudy. No rain happening, so it's good. The roads are very clean and no potholes anytime. This two-lane road. Like on one side 2 lanes, other side 2 lanes, and there is a huge divider area. So speed limit is around 65 miles. You can go up to 70 or 75 without getting ticketed. But if you go above 75, you will sure get a ticket. The cops may be sitting on the side of the road. You never know. So most of the trees here, they are pine trees, and you will find a lot of palm trees as well. So what we're going to find in Florida, we have Disney, and then we have Universal, and we will be going to Disney, one of the park, and we will be going to Kennedy Space Center, where they launch rockets to the space. You will be seeing a lot of good places with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the videos with others. Hit on like button. Stay tuned with me. It's marshland. Lot of swamps in this area. Near the water, there are waves, not that big waves because this is bayside. Beautiful. Wave is coming. Yes, let's go there.